a powerful cold wave has swept northern China, bringing heavy snow and freezing temperatures across several areas. Now, in some areas, conditions have reached extreme levels, with temperatures in parts of Liaoning province in the northeast expected to drop as low as minus 26 degrees Celsius, and parts of northern Shanxi province in the northwest bracing for lows around minus 22 degrees Celsius. Authorities issued multiple road icing warnings and activated a level 3 yellow snow emergency response. Over 2,100 specialized snow removal vehicles and more than 14,000 sanitation workers have been deployed to clear the snow. Meteorological agencies predict temperatures to plummet further, with lowest temperatures in Liaoning expected to fall to minus 26 degrees by Thursday. In Shanxi, the provincial weather service has issued yellow warnings for icy roads. Several highway sections have been shut down. The provincial meteorological station has forecasted that the cold and windy weather will persist, with the coldest regions in northern Shanxi expecting temperatures to fall to around minus 22 degrees Celsius.